Hello friends, good evening. Today I am coming up with a very new concept with automation rule to handle a trading business with sales consign. Over here, what happens in many businesses, we would like to give our product to our sales partner without selling it actually or without invoicing. And then we have to give a reservation also. And then once at the end of month, the partner books his original sales, then we will create a sales order, reduce the quantity from our warehouse or his warehouse, and then we can create a final bill. So over here, to manage entire workflow, what I have done, I have created different type of locations. So here you can see I have created a separate location B2B C1, B2B C2, B2B C3 based on the partner. And then I have associated those locations in a new studio field, source location, where I have associated that particular location to each and every partner, a separate location. So you can see B2B customer 3 is having a source location WH B2B C3. Now I will check stock of my product. So at the starting of month, what happens? We will transfer certain items to our B2B partner store via internal transfer. So over here, B2B C1 is already holding Pro 1. But now I also want to transfer Pro 2 and Pro 3. So what I will do? Let me duplicate the window. And over here, I will punch an internal transfer. So this time what I will do, I will transfer certain items. Pro 1, Pro 2 and Pro 3. So what stock I have? Pro 1 27, 22 and 8. So 5 and 2 units I am transferring. So ultimately what happens? This item is still in my possession, in my detailed stock only. Only the location will be different because I have moved those from my regular location to a separate partner location. So as a part of impact, if I am selling Pro 1, then my regular on-hand stock will be shown 22 only because I have moved certain item and delivered it to my partner, my reseller location over here. So this particular location is holding all these items. Now, what I have done, I have created one automation rule on our transfer. Over here, we have given a domain like it should be applicable on delivery orders only. And here is the Python code we have written. Like if source location is defined, then it will find the location. It will replace the location on my transfer slip. So this is a small code I have written. Now what is happening? I do have stock on my hand on B2B C2 and my partner is registering 1 + 1 + 1 sale at the end of month. So I will create one sales order in the name of my B2B customer 2. So because this is B2B C2 is my location, and I will sell Pro 1, Pro 2 and Pro 3, 1 unit each. Here I can manage my selling price with the price list or anything. And as soon as I confirm, what happens is system will create a delivery and it will automatically replace the source location to the given location on partner form. On the partner form, we have defined WH B2B C2, which you can see from here, which I have given here, which is replaced by our automation rule. And these items are reserved from here. So you can see a total available quantity for that. But in detail, it is reserved because those items are available and I validate those items right now. In my detailed stock, you can see 552 was there. Now, if I rerun it, you can see now it is reduced by 4, 4 and 1. So 1 unit has been reduced automatically from my partner location. So this is how we can handle a consignee sales option within our warehouse by separating out location, and a simple automation rule can help. Now the question comes in your mind, like if I'm not doing B2B sale, then how it will work? So definitely if any new customer is there, like customer 5 who is new, I haven't defined any location and still I'm selling him Pro 1 unit, and on delivery it will directly pick from a regular stock location only. So this is how we have done our work, our Python code in automation very smoothly, which will work out in different scenarios also. So here you can see Pro 1 has been reduced from 22 to 21 because I have done a regular sales from my regular stock location. So guys, hope this small trick can help many people, many functional consultant and end user to configure such an automation when they are doing a consignment sale and pushing their stock to their partner location, but it is in our possession, so the ownership is with us. So we can manage like stock is still with us, but in different locations. So we can do a virtual kind of, reservation where this stock will not be sold to anyone. It is meant for that partner only. And then at the end of month, I can do a regular sales order. And due to this particular small studio and rule assignment, we can achieve the direct deduction of stock from respective location. If you have any question or any use cases which you want to achieve in your trading business, reach out to us at techvaria.com or my YouTube and LinkedIn channel. Have a good day.